Okay, the first step you need to take is to be on the web page you want to translate. Okay, just like as I am, there is an article written on Forbes. Okay, so this is what I want to translate to another language. Okay, so after that, the next step you need to take is to click on these three dots at the upper right of the page. All right, then you'll be provided with some options. Okay, so you have to locate translate, which is here. So click on translate. Then it dictates English to be the language, all right, that this text is written in. So click on these three dots. Okay, so you select the option of choose another language. All right, that's what you need to do. So here, Dutch is chosen by default because I've used Dutch on a web page before. So click here and select a different language of your choice that you want that translated to. Okay, you can see Chinese simplified and Chinese traditional. So if it's maybe, for example, we want to translate this to traditional Chinese language, so I'll click on this option. All right, once you click on that option, click on translate. Okay, as you can see, the text here have been translated to Chinese. Sometimes this may take time, maybe a few minutes, like 1 minute or 2 minutes before the translation is done. Okay, so if you try it and it doesn't pick up immediately, please give it some time for the translation to be carried out. I hope this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover technology and insurance, okay? And they are all simplified, okay? So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Please subscribe. This channel is still small. I'm trying to grow it. So help me grow that, okay? Thank you and see you some other time.